Welcome, and thank you for reviewing our strategic action plan for Reliant Transportation. I'm Joey Mancino.
I'm Michael Booker.
I'm Dylan Edens.
I'm Nico Bianchetti. Our goal is to modernize Reliant's operations by integrating AI and geofencing, or RFID technology. This blend of operational and technological strategy will allow us to track and trace 90% of shipments by 2025, providing transparency, accuracy, and simplicity across the board. Our focus is to make the system easy for both drivers and internal teams while staying compliant with privacy laws. The need for shipment visibility isn't just a convenience, it's a necessity. Clients in industries like pet food and fertilizer rely on precise timing and sequencing of deliveries. A single delay can throw off an entire operations and damage client trust. By delivering reliable tracking, we strengthen those relationships and increase client retention. It's not just about tech, it's about being a partner our clients can count on.
Reliant operates with a 65-person team and doesn't own its own trucks, meaning flexibility and relationship management are its key strengths. However, competitors like RFG Logistics are adopting to more advanced tracking systems. To kind of stay more competitive, Reliant needs a technology upgrade that fits its third-party model without disrupting operations. Our proposal helps bridge this gap and strengthens Reliant's service. Our solution integrates AI and geofencing with RFID systems to provide real-time tracking. This system requires minimal input from the drivers, which is critical given the average driver age and their comfort level with tech. The AI automates the tracking, and sensitive data is also auto-deleted after use to comply with privacy standards. The result is faster communication, simpler workflows, and increased trust from both carriers and clients.
Our rollout is designed to be smooth, simple, and scalable, spread across 3 phases. Phase 1 is a small-scale pilot with 1 or 2 of our most trusted carriers. These partners already have strong relationships with us, so they're ideal for testing. We'll focus on making sure that the system works seamlessly for both drivers and on our internal teams. Phase 2 expands all of our preferred carriers. At this stage, we'll provide short training sessions, easy setup instructions, and hands-on support to make adoption smooth. The system is designed to be simple, requiring little to no extra effort for drivers. Phase 3 brings in our secondary carriers using everything we've learned. By then, we'll have a tested, streamlined rollout process in place. The implementation will be led by our operations and IT teams, working closely with our AI and RFID technology vendor. The estimated total cost is around $20,000, covering hardware, software, and training. We'll measure success by how accurately we can track shipments, how drivers respond to the tech, and how much we have to save our internal teams by reducing manual work. Our internal and external scan. To make sure this plan fits, we ran a full internal and external scan looking at both SWOT and pestle factors. Internally, Reliant is strong and flexible with the relationship management. Those are core strengths, but right now, tech adoption is lagging, which puts us at a disadvantage. The good news, this plan turns that weakness into an opportunity to lead. Externally, the market is shifting fast. Clients are demanding more visibility, especially in time-sensitive industries like pet, food, and fertilizer. Tech like AI and geofencing is mature and affordable, and while regulations are stable, privacy expectations are rising, especially among older drivers. This is why we prioritize simplicity and privacy protection. The system deletes data after use and minimizes the need for driver interaction, making it both compliant and user-friendly. All in all, the conditions are right, and this plan positions Reliant to stay ahead of the curve. Strategic fit and risk management. This strategy aligns with Reliant's mission to provide dependable logistics services. It supports current workflows without overhauling existing processes. It also reduces key risks like missed deliveries and communication delays, and increases service reliability. In an industry built on timing and coordination, that reliability becomes a competitive edge.
We designed this plan with every stakeholder in mind. For drivers, it reduces stress by eliminating manual check-ins. For internal teams, it simplifies data management. For clients, it delivers transparency they can rely on. Importantly, it respects user privacy. All tracking data is deleted after use. Ethical design and shared value creation are at the core of this plan. Our competitive approach is differentiation, not through price, but through service quality and tech-enabled ease. We applied the three innovative lenses. This solution is desirable because it's easy for users, it's feasible with an available technology, and it's viable, improving perception and internal efficiency. It gives Reliant an edge without becoming an asset-heavy company. We approached this project with a collaborative mindset. We met in person and online and divided the slides based on individual strengths. Everyone contributed equally, and while we had no formal leader, we all kept each other accountable. This project gave us real-world insight into both logistics strategy and team-based problem solving.
This project really changed the way I used to think about innovation. I used to see it as something complex and high level, but I realized it's really just thinking outside the box and not sticking to the usual way of doing things.
For me, this was all about usability. A strategy only works if the people can use it and can actually adopt it. Whether it's the drivers or the logistics teams, if the system isn't user-friendly, it won't stick, no matter how smart it looks on paper. Simplicity and clarity go a long way.
What stood out to me is how important the internal process is. We can't expect external success without first being aligned inside. Building a clear internal roadmap where everyone knows their role and what's expected makes execution with clients and carriers so much smoother.
I've always believed that people are at the center of every good business strategy. This project confirmed that for me. When you build a solution that genuinely meets a stakeholder needs, not just the company goals, that's when it actually works. Thinking from their perspective really just made all the difference.